back to my channel DIY Yud. Today I'm going to work on this Jeep Patriot 2014. I'm going to change the windshield using some basic tools, windshield remover tool. So first of all, I think I need to remove this trim, the plastic trim, this one, and the wipers. So I'll start by removing all of these things. So I will start by remove this mirror, rear mirror first. There is a screw here. It's a T20 Torx. Just unscrew it. Once you remove the screws and just pull it up just like that, it's all out. Next, I will remove the blades, the wiper blades, wiper arm. So to remove it, we have to remove this cap using a screwdriver. Just can pull up the cap just like that, and we have this nut that we need to remove. Same thing on this side, just like that. Just wiggle it a bit, and it should come out just like that. Okay. Next, I will remove this rubber just like that. And I need to remove these clips here. There's one more here, and same on the other side. Once the clips are removed, now we can lift it up like that and pull it out. Okay, just pop it out like this. Here it is. Next, I will remove this trim. Just pop it out, just like that. Now using this tool, it's a cutter, has a blade. It is used to remove windshield. So this blade will cut into the glue that is below the windshield. So we'll just put it like this and pull it down and cut the glue. So after a struggle, finally able to cut all around. Now just need to pull it out, just like that, and it's out. Okay, so now that we have removed the windshield, it's now time to clean all this glue. I need to make it clean, so I'll use a scraper and I'll just scrape that and make it clear. Okay, now that I have removed all the glue and clean it with some gloss cleaner, I'm going to apply a new glue. I will use this U40 418 Quick Cube Primerless to Auto Glass urethane adhesive to put on the windshield. I'll use this gun. So I'll start applying the glue all around and put the windshield. now we have put the glue all around. It's time for me to put the windshield back on. Okay, so we just place the windshield up on the glue and just press it all around just like that for it to stick. I put 2 tapes just to prevent it from coming down, and that's it. We are going to put back the trim and the wipers. So yeah guys, I put back all the trims, everything is in place. I put all the wiper blades and it's good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. Please click the like button and click the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and share the video. Thank you. Bye.